everyone. So my name is Mayan Castillos. Our topic for today is all about migration. So what will we discuss? We will be discussing about the two types of migration. So the first one is the internal migration and the second one is the international migration. But before that, let us first define what is migration. So what is migration? Migration is defined as the movement of people over some distance or at least from one migration defining area to another and from one usual place of residence to another. So migration is all about moving. This can be permanent, temporary or seasonal. It can be voluntary or forced. And we all know that there are many reasons why people migrate. So first is our family. Second, work opportunities. You want to work abroad for you to have a better life. And then the last one is war. You migrate because of war, even if you don't want to move, but you have to because you have no choice. So let's get started on the different types of migration. So first is the internal migration. So internal migration, this refers to a change of residence with the national boundaries such as between states, provinces, or municipalities. So it's very similar to what's going on here in the Philippines. If you were in the province, for example, you may consider transferring or working in the city, just like Manila, because you don't think that maybe there you will have a good life or a better life. And as we all know, there are very few opportunities in the province, and we also know how difficult life was there. So therefore, they moved to the city. So next is international migration. So this refers to a change of residence over national boundaries. An international migrant is someone who moves to a different country. So with international migration, you'll migrate to another country maybe because you have a family there or you will be working there. For example, suppose you were born in the Philippines and then migrated to or work in the United States. So for example, so most of Filipinos do this. They work overseas and they return to the Philippines when they retire. So that would be all. I hope you learned a lot for this video. Thank you for listening. Bye!